Hello guys! So, nandito na kami. Nandito. Actually, after kong kinuha si Alexander, nandito kami sa pub. Yeah, hello Alexander. Yeah. Si Apam naman, kakatapos niya lang mag-exercise. So, ito yung school ni Alexander soon. Dito. Actually, pub yung front ng school ni Alexander soon. Papalitan ko lang siya kasi naka-uniform siya. Maglalakad-lakad kami after namin kumain sa pub. So, actually, I think pwede ako ditong mag-park during, school time soon pag nandito sa Alexander. Alexander, come here, change your clothes. Let's see, we put it here. Many kids. It will be your friends. Our neighbor is going here. This is their school.
What?
This is our school.
Neighbor, my friend?
Mago. This is his school.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I have a brother as well.
Brother and sister, Chelsea and the brother, Mago.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Jesse's Tommy.
Yeah. Chelsea and Mago.
That's
You know their names? Yeah, ito yung school na Alexander. Sa front lang talaga. No stopping. What is this? No stopping. 8 to 43.
Every time the dog to him, we would take a little bit like the walk.
Okay. Go. Huh? Ay, inside. I'm sure they have been. Si Apam, nandito lang din. Let's lock the car. Your phone is with you? No, babe. Here in the front, babe. We go inside. Walang ka-makeup kami ay. Wala kaming ka-makeup I mean, ako wala kang makeup. Opening.
What did the sun say?
10 for 12 noon. Third opening time. Let's go. Babe, inside the shop, babe. They don't have there. Naghanap siya ng lalagyan. Come on.
I can say something.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. So, wala silang food. Monday and... No, we just go home because you're hungry. Yeah, and okay. Next time, at least we know. It's not far from the house anyway. Yeah, Alexander. Try inside. Huh? But you're hungry.
Maybe half an hour we can walk.
Where we will walk.
Over there.
Okay. Okay, then.
Where the trees are.
Yeah. Okay, so mag-walking na lang kami.
But maybe we can park car over there.
Okay.
Yeah, so we don't come back so far. You know?
Okay. So where we will park? You know? Where?
Yeah.
You just tell me, okay? Alexander, let's go. Park kami doon. We'll go somewhere to park because they don't have food here. Meron lang sila drinks lang. I mean beer, alcohol, like that. But we don't drink that.
Yeah, I know it. I know we don't
You know,
drink
because
that
they don't have a
that's
cook.
not healthy.
Ah,
It's
that's
not
why.
Like, Monday is not busy.
Ah.
Tuesday is not busy. You know,
Yeah, it's useless if they have, Few minutes we will walk around. Yeah? 30 minutes. 30 minutes lang kami mag-walk, guys. Or maybe 1 hour now because we eat something. Yeah? We can walk, yeah? 1 hour maybe. Are you excited to walk around? Alexander, you can sit there while waiting. Kumakain kasi si Apam, guys.
Yeah.
You want to bring water? You will be
didn't cook
thirsty?
anything, yeah? You don't have to cook.
Yeah. Okay. Or banana shake, something like that, because I have milk. Yeah. Oh, Alexander, you want donut? I'll finish. There's one more here. You finish it. Kasi gutom din si Alexander.
But I ate one, and so there's two. Why there's so way
Daddy eat one.
now? Hey,
Help
don't
me.
do that. That's eating the donut. No.
Oh,
Calm down.
the
Come on,
donut.
eat it or I will eat it.
open it now. Come on, eat it. Get it. Okay, let's go. Let's bring some of this. Be careful there. Maybe your girlfriend will call you.
My girlfriend is here.
Your,
can talk to me. If you
your girlfriend will call you and you cannot answer and she will be angry to you.
want. Why would you call me? If I'm right here.
Alam niyo si Apam, nag-joke ako niyan sa kanya. Oh, it's so comfy. Nag-change ako to sleeper. You lose weight, babe. You really lose weight. You're different, yeah. Before, like, oh God. You lose weight, Alexander, too.
I don't think so.
Oh, goodness.
Ah, there's a car.
Yan, maganda kasi yung panahon, kaya nandito kami ulit sa forest. Kasi pag maganda yung panahon, Alexander, around here you can run because it's safe. There's no cars like that. Yeah, pag magandang panahon guys, lumalabas talaga yung mga mga tao dito. Yan, mainit siya actually. Kaya okay lang sa Alexander magganyan yung suot. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's like in the movie, yeah?
Oh, you want
Ganyan yan sila. Very close sila ni Afam tsaka ni Alexander. Kaya it's really good. Ano to? May naghukay dito. Some, you know, animals. May energy pa sa Alexander. This is after school. Oh, meron din dito. Ano yan? Bakit na ganyan? Buti na lang nag-change up my sleeper ako sa sasakyan. I'm thinking now na maglalagay ako ng sleeper tsaka extra clothes. Kasi yung clothes na suot na Alexander, hindi yan uniform niya. So, at buti na lang kasi kanina gutom kami. Kasi si Afam nag-exercise siya. Nag-exercise siya, so gutom siya. So pumunta kami ng pub just to, yeah.
so much water to catch him up?
Oh, sure. That's why I brought this water because I know you need energy. Pinalitan ko to si Alexander. So, you can do it. Tapos, next, magdadala din ako ng sleeper, extra sleeper for Alexander. Kasi from time to time, lalabas kami pag maganda yung panahon. Kasi nga, dito sa UK, sa England, unpredictable. At wala masyadong sun. Nakaka-depress, kaya...
Faster me.
Okay. Oh, he's running so fast. Oh God, he's running so fast. You can do it, Alexander. So, yan. So, yung sleeper ko ngayon, hindi siya as in super comfy yan. Pero at least nandito siya. At least, kasi kung mag-ano ako, sa sandal ako dito, it will be harder for me. You know? So, eto na lang. Maganda dito. Nakapunta na kami dito. At saka, eto yung suot ko din. Ah, di ba? So, yan. So, gutom kami. Nung pumunta kami sa pub, which is mag-film sana ako. And then they said, oh, we want to eat. Sorry, we don't serve. Monday, Tuesday, we don't serve food. Ano lang sila? Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, they serve food. Ganon. So, yeah. It's so nice. Yeah, it's nice, yeah.
They have so big rooms here.
Well,
So like one house.
oh,
One, two, one.
me. Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's supposed to be Daddy the win.
No, I win.
No, you was cheating.
I'm not. I'm the
You
winner.
are. The timer was said you was cheating.
What are you saying to me?
You were cheating. So bye-bye.
I like this house. It's
Yeah.
so peaceful, but this one is closer to the road.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, they have solar panels.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Oh, so they own the house. What is that?
It's a strawberry beet flower.
Okay, thank you. Put it in my ears.
How do you put it in there?
What? Ears? What should I say?
My ear.
My ear. Ah, my ear, yeah. Yeah, you're right. The other side.
Let's try it.
Huh?
It's not that
Behind my
hard.
ear. Wait, because you cut it so much.
Yeah, you cannot put it.
You cut it so much.
Because I know what it's at my
Okay, let's
hand.
Thank you.
I'm gonna win.
Ang dami pang energy ni Alexander. Ang daming bulaklak dito. Mga wildflower ito, guys. Ito na lang sana yung gusto ko sa garden, kahit wildflower. You know? Drink water to have energy. Yan, mga wildflower yan. Drink water. Madami pang energy si Alexander after school. Here's to rest, eat a little. Yeah.
This one there, you were missing out.
Yeah, but they are thinking like, you know,
I think
expecting more. Or maybe they have big plan actually here, like
just
football also, maybe, or not.
No,
Just really golf. So big. Sayang guys, oh, meron ditong
just abandoned
golf
it,
club, yeah.
yeah? Or maybe the owner who was doing it died or something.
Oh, maybe COVID time.
maybe they just closed the toilet to bits so much else.
Maybe during COVID,
Yeah,
yeah. There's many places like that actually.
yeah. Yeah, so nice, so nice.
Okay, like if you live there, yeah.
Yeah.
But how you can live in this?
Wait, don't do that to my bag.
But
You
your
will damage it.
But
Naman.
your daddy named Daddy.
I will damage him. Ayaw ni Alexander.
Maybe no gas.
Yeah. You.
Daddy, Daddy,
But
Daddy.
electricity.
I will damage Daddy now. I will
Can we
damage
go,
him.
please? Let's go. Come on, no more joking. Come on.
Yeah. Yeah. Alexander.
You said Daddy, Daddy.
Why? You should protect me, not Daddy. Protect me now. Come on.
Can we go now?
You bad dog.
Let's go.
You should protect me.
But you're hurting Daddy.
No, I just want to punish him.
You can't punish him either.
I want to punish him.
That's so bad.
No, I need to kick him.
Can we go now? Because I'm getting hungry.
Okay.
I'm not getting hungry.
Okay, leave my bag. You're damaging my bag.
Well, you are that Daddy. Oh, don't be me with that Daddy.
Babe, what did you give them, babe? He's so loyal to you.
Okay, just look.
What daddy give you?
The Daddy.
What daddy give you?
I
Huh?
don't know.
Why you're loyal to him, not to me? You have to be loyal to mommy.
Because you are Daddy named Daddy.
Yeah, but I just need to punish him. That's it.
But
For what?
that's bad. Because otherwise, you will be trapped.
Right.
It's on the loading ground. And you daddy to be daddy.
Come on, leave my bag. You're damaging
Yes,
this.
but why don't say woof woof?
Whoop whoop, say hello, hello.
I don't want you.
Finally, I can damage him.
Daddy named him.
You have a bodyguard here.
Daddy named him.
Bodyguard? How much he pay you? Huh? How much is he paying you?
100 million, which is enough for our name.
Oh, enough for our needs. That's why you're So yeah, you know what he said? He paid me 100 million.
Bye.
Okay, I'm talking to guys. Enough for our needs. Kaloka to si Alexander eh.
You want something?
Why not?